friends. So today we're going to start talking about combinations that equal more than $1. So right over here, I'm going to put a circle around it. Right over here, this is a dollar bill. A dollar bill has the value of $1, but it also has the value of 100 cents. So how many quarters would you have to trade for a dollar bill? Right, 4 quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100, which is 100 cents, and 100 cents is $1. Great job, friends. How many dimes would you need? Let's count. We have to get to 100 cents, and we know dimes value is 10 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we need 10 dimes. Now, how many pennies do we need? We know the value of a penny is 1 cent, and we know that 100 cents is $1. So how many pennies do we need? 100 pennies. Great job. All right, friends. So we have our dollar bill. I'm going to go ahead and write it down. So I want us to really pay attention to this dot that's in between the 1 and 0. So this dot separates the dollars from the cents. It is called a decimal point. Anything to the left side of the decimal point shows how many dollars, and anything to the right side of the decimal point shows how many cents. Last week we learned that this symbol represents dollars, and this symbol represents cents. So remember, to the left side of the decimal, it represents the numbers, and to the right side, it represents the cents. So right now this is a dollar, but if there was something in place of these zeros to the right, say it had the number 50, that tells us we have $1.50, $1.50. Now we're going to go on to our $5 bill. Our $5 bill has the value of 5. And it has 5s on every corner. That's going to be a good way to know the value of our dollar bills. Sorry, friends. Challenge for you. How many dollar bills do we need to make a $5? Right, we need 5 because $1 bill is worth 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're moving on to our $10 bill. Our $10 bill is going to have 10s on every corner. Our $10 bill has the value of 10. So I am going to put $10. Remember, to the left side of our decimal is dollars, and to the right side is cents. How many $5 bills does it take to get to 10? So 5, 10. So it would take 2 $5 bills to get $10. All right, friends. Now we're going to go to $20. We have 20 on every corner. Who can tell me how many $10 bills we would need to get to 20? Right, 2, because if we count by 10 2 times, it's going to be 10, 20. Then I'm going to go to my $100 bill. It has 100 on each corner. Who can tell me how many $10 bills we need to get to $100. I want you to really think about it. Who can tell me? Right. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So that tells us we need 10 $10 bills to get to 100. All right, friends. When counting bills, we count the same bill over and over, we notice pattern. So for our $1 bills, we notice that we're counting by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. We keep going. For $5 bills, we count by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and we keep going, depending on how many $5 bills we have. So $10 bills, we count by 10. We skip count by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and we keep going. And then with our $20 bill, we go 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and we keep going by skip counting by 20. Then we have our hundreds. Our hundreds, we skip count by hundreds. So we go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and we keep going depending on how many dollar bills we have. So important thing we want to remember is when we're counting our dollars, we want to make sure that they're ordered from the biggest value, the greatest value, all the way to the least value. So right in this picture, we have a $50 bill, a $20 bill, and a $10 bill. So we know that the value of a $50 bill is 50. We know that the value of a $20 bill is $20. And we know the value of a $10 bill is 10. So let's add these together. 50, 60, 70, 80. So the way we would write it, we would put our dollar sign. We can't forget our decimal. And then we don't have any cents right now, so it's just gonna look just like this. All right, friends, now we're gonna get our homework, our 10.5 homework. So we need our 10.5 worksheet. I'm gonna be doing not the first one, not the second one, but the third one with you, friends. Or actually, I'm gonna do the very last one with you, friends. So we're gonna count the dollar and coin combinations. So I know that my $10 bill has the value of 10, and my $5 bill has the value of 5, and that my $1 bill has the value of 1. So first we're going to add our dollars first. Okay, friends? We're adding our dollars first from greatest to least value. All right, so 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So I know that I am going to have $16. Remember, dollars are to the left of our decimal. Now we need to count our coins. So what's the value of our quarter? 25 cents. And what's the value of a dime? 10 cents. What's the value of a nickel? 5 cents. And what's the value of a penny? 1 cent. Good job. So now we need to add them together. Remember, we need to make sure that they're ordered from greatest value to least value to make it easier to count. So we have 25 plus 10. So 25, then 35 plus 5 is 40. And then if we add 1, it is 41. So our answer would be $16.41. Great job, friends. So I want you to do the rest on your own. Remember, we do have math help and ELA help if you need it. We have them, both our math help and MTSS back in session this week. So have a great day, friends. If you have any questions, feel free to come to our math meet, okay? Have a great day.